Hey everyone, this is AI Grader, a smart tool that checks student papers using AI. It saves teachers hours of work. And yeah, it's crazy fast. Let me show you how it works. Boom, project running. First, open a new terminal in VS Code. Now type SSH aigrader.local. That's the device name. Hit enter, and when it asks, type the password aigrader1234. Boom, you're in. Next, we move into the project folder, CD AI Grader. Now here's an important step. Activate the virtual environment with source venv bin activate. Why? Because it loads all the project's Python tools and libraries. Super important. And finally, run the command to launch the system, and you're good to go. Now, as you can see, the app's up and running. First step, we scan the model answer key. Just hit the correct answer key button. The system starts scanning, runs OCR, extracts the text, and saves it for later comparison. And you can monitor everything live in the terminal logs at the bottom. Alright, as you can see, the status shows our answer key is scanned. Now, go ahead and change the paper. Place the student's answer sheet, the one you want to check, right on the platform. Just make sure the paper is fully visible inside the live video stream running in the background. That's important. Take a moment to adjust it if needed. Once it's in place, press the Scan Answer Paper button. Now, behind the scenes, the system kicks in, scanning the page, detecting the document's edges and shape. Then it does OCR using AI to read all the content. Alright, as you can see in the status, we've now scanned both the model answer key and the student's paper. Now it's time to press the Start Grading button. The system compares the student's answers with the key we scanned earlier and automatically grades the paper. Now we're on the print screen. First, you need to select an available printer from the list. Just tap on the one you want. As you can see in the status, all steps are completed. Scanning, OCR, grading, everything's done. So now, let's print the result. When you press the print button, the prepared PDF is sent straight to the selected printer. And there it is. You get the graded paper, complete with the score and remarks for each question. Now I'll show you where everything is saved: the scanned images, OCR results, grading data, and the final PDF. But first, we need to fetch the files from the Raspberry Pi. Since we're using the SFTP extension in VS Code, just press Ctrl-Shift-P, then select Sync, Remote, Local to pull everything from the Pi. Once synced, you'll find the scanned answer key and student paper images, OCR data saved in text, grading results in a .json file, and the final report, all neatly saved as a PDF. And finally, let me tell you what we used to build this project. The brain of the system is a Raspberry Pi 4, and we used a 5-megapixel PiCamera to scan the papers. For the UI design, I used Qt with PySide 6, and for communication and logic, everything was done in Python. And to handle printing, we used the CUPS library to connect with printers smoothly. That's it, a full AI-powered grading system, built with simple but powerful tools. If you have any questions or any suggestions, feel free to ask in the comments below. I hope you like the project.